Hello lovely kids, welcome to today's lesson. Before I tell you what our topic is for today, let's do a quick activity. I have here with me 2 sheets of paper, okay, and how do you think I can put these sheets together? Mention 2 things you think I'll need to be able to join these 2 sheets together. Yes, 1, glue, good. 2, sellotape, very good. I'm sure you got that right. So let me quickly glue my papers. So with the help of the glue, I've been able to join these 2 papers. Now, I have here with me a diagram, okay? This is land, this is Kofi, this is also land, okay? Kofi wants to cross over to the other side, but he's unable to do that. How do you think, or what do you think will help him cross over to the other side? Take a wild guess. I know you're very smart, so you will get it right. Kofi needs a bridge to be able to cross over to the other side. And that brings us to our topic for today. Today we are going to talk about conjunctions. Everyone say with me, conjunctions. Yes, there are lots of examples of conjunctions, but we are going to talk about a few of them. Okay, we have the conjunction and. We use this conjunction when we are talking about sentences with similar ideas. Okay, let's have an example so we understand what I'm talking about. So I have here with me, Kofi is eating. Sentence 2, Ama is eating. Now, when you look at these 2 sentences carefully, what can you tell me about them? What do you think are similar? Okay, we have is eating here, we have is eating here. They are both performing the same action. So we can join these 2 sentences together with the help of our conjunction and. Let's do that quickly. Kofi and Ama are eating. So we have joined these 2 sentences together using the conjunction and. And you realize that we have the verb are here. We didn't say is because now we are talking about 2 people, Kofi and Ama. So we'll say are, not is. Now we have, let's go to our second conjunction, but. But is used when we are talking about, when we want to join sentences that have different ideas or contrast ideas or opposite ideas. Let's look at an example. Let's have an example. Aquile is quiet. Example 2. Akwete is loud. Quiet, loud. They are opposites, aren't they? We all know Aquile in class 3A and Akwete in class 3L. Aquile is quiet, Akwete is loud. How do we join these sentences? We join them by using the conjunction but. So let's join them and see. Aquile is quiet, but Akwete is loud. Simple, isn't it? Now let's move on to the conjunction so. The conjunction so is used when we are talking about purpose. Okay, purpose. Let's see. Sentence 1. Your parents are working hard. 2. They can give you a good education. Sentence 1 says, your parents are working hard. They can give you a good education. Now let's join them using the conjunction so. Your parents are working hard, so they can give you a good education. So this is the purpose for which your parents are working. They are working hard so they can give you a good education. Now let's move on to the conjunction or. Or is used when we want to give someone a choice. You want the person to be able to make his or her own choice. So let's look at an example. Do you like banku or fufu? Here, I'm giving you a choice. I'm not forcing. When you go to the canteen, you're not forced to eat a particular food. You are given options. You are given the chance to choose the food you like. So we use or. Do you like banku or fufu? And you can see I'm asking a question, so I've used a question mark. Are we okay up till here? I'm sure we are. Let's continue. Because since are. These are conjunctions of reason. Okay, conjunctions of reason. They tell us why something is happening or why something has happened. Okay, let me write the reason up here. Now, because, we have because. Let's have an example of how because can be used in a sentence. Okay. Let me write it down here as well. 1. I am eating. 2. I am hungry. I am eating. I am hungry. Now we can use the conjunction because to join these two sentences. Okay, why are you eating? You are eating because you are hungry. So that is the reason why you are eating. So let's join the sentences and see. I am eating because I am hungry. Good. So we have successfully joined these two sentences using the conjunction because. Let's have an example for since. I sat down. I was tired. Why did you sit down? You sat down since you were tired. So let's join these two sentences using the conjunction since. I sat down since I was tired. And 3. I ate my snack. I ate my snack. I was hungry. I ate my snack as I was hungry. So that is the reason why you ate all your snack without giving anyone. Okay, now let's look at our final set of conjunctions. We have before, after, and when. These conjunctions talk about time. So they are conjunctions of time. They tell us when something happened. Okay, when something happened. Let's have a few examples. Before, okay, so okay, I brushed my teeth. I had my breakfast. I brushed my teeth. I had my breakfast. We can join them using before. I brushed my teeth before I had my breakfast. Okay? I brushed my teeth before I had my breakfast. After. Let's look at after too. All schools closed down. The president's address. All schools closed down. The president's address. All schools closed down after the president's address. Now let's look at our final one. 3. When. Okay. I will go home. I finish my work. I will go home. A sentence. I will go home when I finish my work. So we have joined these sentences together using these conjunctions. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. So stay safe, comport yourselves. Bye.